Hey everybody, it's Caitlyn from Nerd On, and I'm here with Adam from Nvidia, and he's telling me about ray tracing, which could you tell everybody what that's about?
About real-time ray tracing specifically, and how it's finally come to the world of games. So you guys have already seen ray tracing, but you've seen it in movies. That's the way all special effects are done. That obviously takes a lot of time for the movies to do, and it wasn't really possible in games until now. So what we're going to show you here is not something that is pre-rendered. Give us a moment here. Drum roll. There we go. This is being rendered in real time. This is not a video. This is not something that was pre-baked. This is not like a cutscene of a game. This is what the gameplay would actually look like. You're looking at the shadows underneath the helmets, the reflections in the armor of the lights around, even the other characters in some cases.
Things that aren't even on screen right now are showing up in the armor, and when the elevator starts to move, see all these lights? See all these lights that are going on right now that aren't even on screen at all? It's crazy.
You can even see the stormtroopers in her armor as she walks past.
So obviously for a gaming PC, for us normal folk, this would be a little bit difficult to get. So what are we running to be able to get this kind of quality?
Yes. So right now, this is running on a DGX station, which is running with 4 Volta V100s. Obviously, that's a high-end GPU, not exactly a consumer box. That's because this is the start of the ray tracing revolution. We are seeding developers with these systems and this technology so they can explore how to put shadows, reflections, and ambient occlusion into their titles. So this is just the starting point. Eventually, that'll find its way into games and more mainstream systems for the rest of us.
How much does this kind of box run?
I believe it's on sale for $58,000.
58,000! That's a steal! How long before the average gamer has this?
I don't expect it to be very long. We're working with many developers. Unity, Epic, the Remedy Northlight engine have already announced this.
And this is running on Unity?
This is Epic.
This is Epic?
Yeah.
Okay.
EA also showed a demo at GDC with us using ray tracing.
Yeah, so let's just focus on reflections here. So this is what you would see with a normal game right now. This is all screen space reflections. We don't have any ray tracing going on right here. So we have very high quality models and textures and all that kind of stuff. But you know, the reflections are only what's on screen. It's not that great. It looks really flat. But when you turn on the reflections, all this other stuff lights up. You get this curved surface of the lamp actually reflects stuff that's above it. You know, this table, even this nice smooth surface that reflects all the light above, the forks and spoons, and even all the little stuff on the ground out here. This is actually a great example right here of where modern day screen space reflections really break down, right? So this is what ray trace reflections look like. You look into the puddle, you see what's reflected in the puddle. But if you were to do screen space reflections, you'll see nothing.
Yeah.
This is the same demo we showed at GDC.
Oh, okay.
So we have other demos that we're also working on roughly around the same time that show differences in material surface texture, like roughness and coarse texture.
Ray tracing, the first paper about it came out in the 1970s. This has been like the quest for the Holy Grail for decades. And they even said, the joke was, ray tracing is the future of graphics and forever will be. It was always this unachievable thing, but what you're seeing today, we finally found it.
Andy and Marshall, thank you guys so much for giving us some time out of your day. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to see what's going to come from this next.